the important symbols and formulae. Let's go through together. Square root, cube root. There is a 3 here, cube root. If square root, in fact there is a small 2, but we can say that we just write without the small 2. Alright, so there's a difference between cube root and square root. And this is equal to, is not equal to, triangle, and is number of term. And this is the pi, and angle, symbol angle, this is the n term. This symbol represents sum or total. And this is greater than or equal, less than equal. And this is number of and elements of set A. Number of elements of set A. Right? So let's go through all the important formulae for Form 2. Sum of interior angle of a polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degree. And Pythagoras theorem, circumference for a circle, area of circle, and area of sector is equal to theta over 360. Normally, we can just times this one. So it becomes pi r square. It becomes area of sector. And arc length, we can write arc length for the sector. We can say we use theta over 360 times 2 pi r. This two formula is very important when we want to solve the sector. Surface area for cylinder. This one is the cover for the pi r square, and this is the body of the cylinder. And surface area of the cone, pi r square plus pi rs. Surface area of the sphere, 4 pi r square. Volume of prism is area of the cross section times with the height. Okay, A times H. And then volume of cylinder is pi r square H. Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square H. And volume of the sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Right, let's see for the Form 2. Still the same, distance between the 2 points is a must to know. Is square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And the most important is the speed time, right? So the speed is equivalent to distance over time, d over t. So we can say that time is distance over speed. If we look at here, if we want the distance, it will be speed multiplied by time. So in short, we can say that this side is multiplied, and then this side, it will be divided, right? This one will be divided. Alright, so then average, when we talk about average speed, it will be total distance over total time taken. There's a difference with the total. And gradient can be written as vertical distance over horizontal distance. Or we can say gradient. We have three ways of representing gradient. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or we can say is negative y-intercept over x-intercept. And mean is the total value of data over number of data. Probability of the event is the number of ways event can occur divided the total numbers of possible outcomes. There is a total. So the total can be total of the sample space. Complement of an event, this is called complement. It can be 1 minus probability of the event A. Probability of the complement of event, you can take 1 minus probability of the event A. So basically these are the important formulae for the Form 2 syllabus. Alright, so don't forget. So that's all my sharing on the formula for Form 2 syllabus. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.